Hello, happy Tuesday. Hey, you guys. I am Melissa Miller, and I am joining you live tonight on the Essential Stencil page. We'll see. I'm not sure. I could torch it. So now, okay. Hi, I'm done with that. My thumb did get tired. So there is my board that we will use. Probably. I'm thinking we will use it, and I may even do a little bit. I may do a little bit of a wash over this. So we'll see. I'm thinking that I could do a little bit of a whitewash over it just to kind of lighten it up a little bit. But I just realized I don't think I have water, so let me get a little bit of water. Let me get a little bit of water. We're going to use a little bit of water. I think I got my torch at the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. So I'm going to lighten this up just a little bit. I don't want to make it too wet, but I am going to do a little bit of a whitewash over this. Hey, Kathy, now that we have torched it, and we're going to see how it looks. I don't know if I'll like it or not, but it does look good like this, but I want it to look a little bit more farmhousey. So I'm going to try something. I don't know if it's going to work, but we are about to find out. So let me get a little bit of white paint on here. And then I'm going to get a little bit of water on this. Not a lot, but a little bit, just to kind of make a little bit of a whitewash stain out of my bowl. And we're going to just kind of go over it so it's not quite so yellow. So we're going to take some gel stain, and we're going to go over this and see what happens. And if it doesn't look good here, then I'm going to use my wipe. Then what I'm going to do next is I will actually flip it over and use the other side. So that's just a dark gel walnut stain on there over all of that. That's going to be better. So this is, I'm going to let this dry for a few minutes, and we're going to go ahead and start with this. I like it better too, guys, for sure. But the torch is a fun way to do something, right? Okay, let's get started stenciling because it's 7:30. Okay, so I'm opening up this 3-pack of Christmas on the Farm. So we are going to go 1, 2, and 3. So these are definitely barnwood, right? So I thought it would be fun to do all 3 of these. We're going to do Christmas on the Farm. I'm going to do 3 signs tonight at one time, and then I'll have 3 pieces to show all of that. We're going to get some white paint out, just going in light circles, okay? So I'm just going to start stenciling right over this. That the smaller the brush, the easier it's going to go into those little spots, right? So Christmas on the Farm, there's one. This is definitely a little bit more rigid. And so on this one, what I might do is just try not to get it to be such a solid stencil. So we're going to take a look at that. And that's going to just look very rustic-y farmhouse, right? But so we're going to pull this up, and it's adorable. It's very cute set. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we're going to do some animals, and same thing for these guys. These are some rough boards. They're going to match those, but I thought how fun would this be to just add these little guys. I'm trying to decide which direction I want them to go. All right, so let's do these in black. I'm just going one way and then back the other way. One way, my dishwasher is 2 hands. That's me too. This is a satin, a multi-surface satin paint that's black, and I forgot. I grabbed the wrong black. So it's a little bit more loosey-goosey, kind of thinner, I guess I would say, than most of them. Yes, you can heat set. Oh, these are going to look cute. We got black and white going on. 1, 2, 3. We're going to have some farmhouse signs for sure. Look at how cute those are. This is the board I started with in the very beginning. White or green? White or green? Well, I take this guy. What do we think? Green? Okay, so for that, let's take this off. We'll do that. I like that idea. I think I like that idea. All I want is an old-fashioned farmhouse Christmas. Fill it in. I don't want to get it on my board, so I'm going to add a little bit of tape right here on the end. And we're going to do this in white. All right. I'm just going to kind of wipe that green away. Okay. We are ready. We are ready. Let's see how this turned out. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. All right, guys. I will see you next Tuesday. Bye.